I'm going to show you how to install a wood blind or a faux wood blind. The installation will go the same way for both products. Once you unbox your blind, go ahead and bring your brackets over to the window and mount them into the top of the window. Once all the brackets are mounted, you will go ahead and attach the valance clips to the front of the blind headrail. Once the valance clips are installed, go ahead and snap the blind into the brackets by engaging the front of the blind into the clip and then rotating back. You will hear a snap when each bracket is secure. You will next need to attach the valance clips to the valance. It is easier to line them up with the clips already in the blind by holding the valance up to the blind and then go ahead and snapping them in place at the same location. If you're off a little bit, you can slide them when you're installing, but this does make it a little easier for you. Before snapping the valance into place, go ahead and insert your wand into the headrail. If you have the wand inserted into the headrail, go ahead and snap the valance into place. And that's all there is to it to install a 2-inch or 2.5-inch wood or faux wood blind.